Out here with my newest RC plane. Well, actually, this one isn't the newest, but I haven't flown it yet since I made it. I just put some supports on before. I've been kind of putting off doing that because I'm lazy. But yeah, I haven't named it. I don't know how it's gonna fly. 3-channel Power Pack A, except I did use 9-gram servos. Probably a bit overkill, but I've worked with them before I got this, and I had already built the tail section when I got the Power Pack, and apparently it's this 5G. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this goes. Everything checks out. I'm just gonna trim it up before I take off because I don't want it to instantly nosedive. This is up trim, right? What's going on here? Sorry about this. I'm not sure why. I'm pretty sure I hear a plane coming. I don't see one. I just looked on the radar, as I always do, to make sure there were no planes in the area. But I don't know where that guy is. Oh, he's up there. Don't know if you guys can see that. He was on the radar and I can't really tell what it is. If I had to guess, it looks like a 208. I know you guys can't see it because I use the front-facing camera on my phone, and I don't even know if it's recording. That would be embarrassing, but yeah, it looks like a 208 to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and fly this bad boy. I got some up trim. Left is left, right is right, down is down, up is up. Got a lot of up. Yeah. Yeah, it must be a 208. It sounds like a turboprop. Or it could be a 206. Turboprop 182 or whatever the thing's called. It's got plenty of power, so let's go ahead and fly it. Get clear. Okay. I mean, it's flying. I need to get rid of that up trim, but I need 2 hands, so wow. It's not bad either. I'm gonna go ahead and land. Okay, that was not bad. I didn't even have to touch full throttle. It's obviously pretty unstable. It's tail heavy. Everything I can put in the front is forwards, even the battery. But wow, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna cut this video and I'll fly it again in the next one. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Wow, I'm really surprised that worked so well. I've not had a lot of success with my recent DIY plane, so I'm shaking right now. The camera gives me more confidence, but I don't. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody, and yeah.